Just pull up the Nifty 50. Last few minutes, sharp plunge over there. About 260 points down. But it's the Bank Nifty which has seen an astonishing drop. Over 1,000 points down now on the Bank Nifty. Let's pull up the components of the Bank Nifty as well. You are seeing a sharp sell-off in ICICI Bank, 3% down right now. I mean, we can keep speaking about how there is no real reason for this kind of a drop, but there's something clearly that is bothering the markets and the street overall, with ICICI Bank as the core sell-off point at this moment. Just looking through the news flow on what could really have alarmed the street, and I just noticed this on it's a Financial Times piece that Bloomberg has picked up, saying Qatar says Gulf may be forced to stop energy export in weeks. So I don't know if that's one of the many things that is coming in, and maybe that's what's spooking people right now. I mean, frankly, it's such a fluid situation. It could be anyone's guess. But on technical levels, definitely we're seeing this sharp sell-off. I'm actually going to go across to Sumit Sarkar, joining in with all the chatter from the dealing room. Sumit, in times of stress, that chatter turns into a whisper. What is going on? What is the primary fear that people are talking about?
Well, there are multiple such chatters that are going around. One of them is also what suggesting that there could be the family offices of Dubai which have been selling their shares in India and bringing in the money back home. That could also be one of the reasons. It's just a chatter. There's no confirmation regarding this. Multiple sovereign offices own a lot of stake in multiple companies in India. So there could be some selling pressure coming in from those side, from that angle as well. That is one of the chatter that is going around. But again, there's no confirmation of the same, or there's no way to check on that. But a few stocks that dealers have highlighted. Firstly, it's Karnataka Bank. Dealers indicate that large, prominent HNIs have been accumulating shares in this counter for the last couple of trading sessions, and despite the sharp fall that we have seen in the banking index and in the market, this bank continues to outperform. It's been up around 7 to 10% odd in the last couple of trading sessions. Second one is Dabur and Marico. Now, there's a paired trade which have been indicated by dealing rooms. They're asking their clients to buy Marico and sell Dabur. They believe that the copra price inflation concerns are largely overdone. But when it comes to Dabur, there could be concerns related to increase in raw material prices and also growth going forward. So sell Dabur and buy Marico is a strategy that dealing rooms are indicating their clients. For India Mart, there are buy flows on institutional desk. Delivery volumes are expected to be on the higher side here. For Shriram Finance, similarly, buy flows on the DI desk is seen prominently, is what dealers have indicated. The stock might be down in trade because of the plunge that we have seen in the Nifty, but there are some buy flows coming in on the DI desk. And lastly, when it comes to NTPC, multiple dealing rooms are recommending buy calls to their clients based on technical charts in trade today.